So what is the you are going to give to the Commissioner of Police, and what is it regarding that you are given a statement that Chaga classes not be held in the schools or institutions?
Yes. Actually, according to our Indian Constitution, Article 28, there should not be any religious activities or any religious classes in government and government affiliated education institutes. It may be school or colleges, whatever it is. But in Coimbatore, it is a very frequent classes conducting by RSS. In Coimbatore 2023, we also conducted a struggle against this RSS saga class in government school. But at the time, there was a government, DMK government, they ensured there should not be any classes, again, any classes will not conduct in any government college or government schools. In 2026 also, last March, DMK government released a GO and ensured there should not be any RSS or any religious classes in government and government affiliated in educational institutes. But now in Pilamedu, Gandhi Managar in Coimbatore, RSS are frequently conducting the saga classes with their Kavi flag and with their uniform. The person who giving the training to the people and to the child coming from North India. He belongs to North India. He is not at all a Tamilian. But a person came from North India. He giving classes, Saga classes to the child and the people in Tamil Nadu. What is the Saga class? It is the purely religious class. It is purely Hindutva and fascist class. We already conducted many struggles and we gave many complaints regarding this. But even though this government or which government allowing this in the government schools and government grounds is not at all acceptable, and this is against the constitution, this is against the rule of law. So we are giving the complaint to the commissioner regarding this, and we demand immediate action against this. And RSS saga class is not only the religious class, it is totally a inhuman classes, because we are seeing many newses from North India, even rapist from RSS, and RSS supporting the rapist. We are seeing many cases. We can give many details about the cases also. So in Tamil Nadu, we are not separated as a religious person or Hindu or Muslim or any kind of religious, but we are always saying we are humans and we are Tamilians. But RSS came here and RSS started their agenda, and they are rooting their fascist and Hindutva politics from the childhood to the child. So we are not ready to accept it, and we are strongly condemn it, and we are demanding immediate action against this. This should not be happen again.
Is this being conducted in the government schools?
Yes. The government school, which is located in Gandhi Managar near Pilamedu, it is conducting, the RSS is conducting their classes frequently in that government school ground. We have the evidence also. We are already took the photo, and one of our comrade, he went and he asked the question about that RSS saga class in government school. The trainer, he is from North India. He is not at all a Tamilian. He is from North India. Yeah, the government ground only. So the person, the trainer, who is the trainer from North India, he told to our comrade, we will not stop. If you want to stop, give me a GO, and then I will not stop. Go, whatever, do whatever you can do. Like that, he told in the authoritative manner. Who's the person? He is from the North India. He is not at all from Tamil Nadu. He is not at all from Coimbatore, and he doing a illegal activity. He doing against constitution. He doing the activity Saga classes is against the constitution, but he is he is acting like an authoritative, and he answering like authoritative person.
You ask the school correspondents or whoever maybe the in charge of the school, how they allowed this thing to be there?
Actually, we have a plan to meet the correspondent and principals of the school, but before that we must, this is not a problem of only one school. So we should eradicate this from the initial stage. So the first step, we have planned to give the complaint to commissioner, then we will go to that school and we will going to meet the principal or correspondent of that school.